Alright guys, in this video we're going to cover how to create a lead magnet that's going to get you a bunch of people interested in your business. So there's a few different tools you can use. I'm going to show you one that I've been using over the past several months. It's called Drop Funnels, and basically with Drop Funnels you can create the landing page where someone's going to come to get your lead magnet, and you can actually create the lead magnet itself. So I'm going to log into Drop Funnels here, and once I log in I'll show you what I mean. So there's different types of funnels inside Drop Funnels. You're going to have your basic website. So if I go to tryjohnson.com, that's just going to be my website. And right here is where you can put your lead magnet. So my lead magnet on tryjohnson.com is a marketing automation toolkit. This could be anything relative to your business. It could be a PDF, a free course, some kind of resources, templates, workbook, any kind of documents used in your industry that people might want access to. But remember back to the very first lesson, we need to create an offer specific to our niche and really dial that in. So just try different things for this purpose. I went with this automation toolkit, and I've tried different offers in the past. And you can have multiple lead magnets. So another one I have is the Free Funnel Mastery course, teaching people how to make their first 1,000 online. And in this opt-in page, it just is very simple. They click to get access. It populates this drop-down, and they'll put their name and email. Once they hit submit, they get access to the course. So free courses are a great lead magnet. I've also used software in the past, so either a free trial or even a free version on a lower tier of one of our software to generate leads. And what that's going to do is you'll be able to give people some value up front. So solve a problem for them, whatever that might be, for the offer you're trying to get them to take you up on. So with Drop Funnels, you can create all your funnels here. So you have unlimited funnels, and you have unlimited memberships, so you can create as many courses as you want to. Right here is the Facebook Organic Marketing Automation course. So that's what I'm building out right now, which guess what, guys? This is a lead magnet. So you've taken this course and gotten into this. Hopefully it's gave you some value. You know how to set up your profile and generate some free leads using Facebook. But that's what this is, right? It's a lead magnet. So once you've figured out your lead magnet, whatever it is, you need to make a visual representation of that. And that's when we'll jump into something like smartmockups.com. So Smart Mockups, they have free and paid versions of different mockups. I like to use this multiple devices. So if you have a course or something, you can take this iMac and iPad mini or laptop and an iPhone, whatever one you want to use. And I also grab this Chrome extension. It's called Full Page Screen Capture. So when I click that, it just captures that page, whatever page I'm on. I can click download right here, and you can see it downloaded. Now when I come back to Smart Mockups, all I have to do is find that image. And it's going to be right here. And then I can just make it the size that I want. So I'm going to blow this up a little bit. Right? About right there, I think is good. Hit crop and continue. And same thing for the iPad mini. A lot of times you can actually use the same image. So I'll do that here. And what I like to get in this is usually the course outline. So I'll get the course outline and maybe some of those resources too. So let's just go with the course outline here. Let's try it right there. So now people can kind of see what's in the course, and you have a visual representation of the value they're getting. So it's something tangible. Then you'll just click download, and I'll do a high quality one. So now when I open this up, it's a transparent background. And I can put this either in Canva, like I showed you in your featured photo, on my website, wherever I want to use this mock-up to try to get people interested. And once they opt in, say they put their name and email address in here, what I do on the back end is I have an email autoresponder. So I use ActiveCampaign, which I can show you a little bit about here, just real briefly. And ActiveCampaign tells me as soon as someone subscribes, you can create automations based on different things happening and really segment people into different categories. So you can get super advanced or just create really simple ones. So what I would do is I'd create an automation, and I like to start from scratch. And my trigger for that automation would be a tag being added. So as soon as someone gets a tag added right here, it would be lead magnet. It's going to run one time. I could also have it run multiple times if I wanted. And I could segment it here as well. So if they already had another tag, or they're in a certain list, or other data points like that, I could segment the automation, but I'm just going to keep it simple. So right away, I can send an email, and that is going to go out right after they opt in. In drop funnels, you can automate this as well. So as soon as someone comes to the funnel for Facebook Organic Marketing Automation course, I can actually automate sending that right here. So it'll send them their login details with a unique username and password. So that first step's taken care of. I like to have this external email autoresponder as well. And what I do is I put a wait step at the end. So after the email, I'll put a wait step, and I usually make it for a certain amount of days. So let me exit out of this. So I'll wait for 900 days. That way, after that first email goes out, if I want to do another email, I can come in here and build it out afterwards. So now, this one's going out. Currently, it'll have them waiting 900 days. But if someone opts in, all I have to do is come down here and create a new email. So, really easy. And then I would turn this back down to 1 day. And that would drip out the next email. And I would just, before I do that, I'd create another wait step. So really, you don't have to build out a long email campaign. You can build it out really 1 day at a time if you want to. So work on 1 email a day. After 30 days, you'd have 30 emails ready to go for any time someone comes in. You want to create a solid lead magnet. Create a visual representation of that lead magnet, and then just keep testing it. So what I would do after you get the lead magnet done is remake your social funnel just for that lead magnet. So we could come here to Facebook, And instead of this offer for Genius Messenger CRM, I could actually swap this out for the Facebook Organic Marketing Automation course and say, hey, get this free course and learn how to generate 50 to 100 leads on Facebook for free. And they would just click here and go where you went to sign up for this course. So it can be a powerful way to get free leads into your business. Hopefully that's helpful, guys. I'm going to cut this video off right here and put those resources below so you can go ahead and create your first or next lead magnet. If you got any value out of this course, what I want you to do is go to my YouTube channel and just subscribe and find one of these videos and just drop a comment of your biggest takeaway. I would appreciate that, and that's going to help my channel grow as well. So hopefully this course was valuable. If you want to take me up on that offer for those software tools, those links will be below as well. Remember, you're getting that special discount since you came through the course, and I'll also give you some awesome stuff in the future as well. So be sure to subscribe on YouTube. I give tons of value there, and I'm always breaking news first to my YouTube subscribers. So anytime something new happens, you'll be in the know. Go ahead and subscribe and smash that bell to be notified of all future videos. Appreciate you guys. This is Derek Johnson, Try Johnson Marketing Solutions, signing off.